Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Shen. As you see from the title in this video, we're going to be making a hair growth oil, and I decided to show you guys how I make this because part of my hair growth journey is I do use this hair oil. I've been using it for the past 2-3 years, so I felt like it's not fair for me to gatekeep and not share with you guys what I use, like everything that I use. Disclaimer: you do not have to use everything that I'm using because it is a lot of oils and a lot of powders and a lot of essential oils, and it will get pricey. It will. But if you want to invest, you can get it because I haven't had to purchase these powders again since I first got them, so they do last a long time. The oils I have had to, but I don't use all those oils every single time. Sometimes I'll just use grapeseed oil. So you can just use a carrier oil and one essential oil, and then you could get like Fenugreek powder or the Amla powder, whichever one fancies your boat. You don't have to use any of the powders, but this is how you make the Ayurvedic hair oil. And so far I have been seeing the benefits. It could be a placebo effect, but I like placebos. Another thing, as you'll see in this video, I used fresh rosemary. If you use fresh rosemary, make sure after the 24 hours that you let it sit, take the fresh rosemary out because I feel like it may spoil it. If you wanted to keep rosemary in to let it seep more and like have, you know, just let it seep more, then you can use dried rosemary, or you can even use rosemary essential oil. I've used both in the past. I believe they both work. That is all. Let's get right into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, thanks for stopping by. Bye.